afternoon, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 12:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, November 28th, 2021. This is not financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified. Share the video, click the thumbs up to notify others about Quant Network, QNT. Intraday updates on that Twitter link below. Quant US dollar still consolidating a little bit lower than any of us would ever want to see. However, we are still sort of consolidating here. If we look at the Quant US dollar, we dipped pretty low. I mean, literally down to like 195, started trekking back up. I think we're kind of okay where we're at. A couple of other areas of resistance we're going to talk about. Support areas where we could see 180 as a real 177 looking like another area of possible support if we have to get down that far. But, let's keep our eye on this. In the meantime, right now, as I see it, we still have support at 198, resistance to 212. It's tight. In the meantime, Quant Bitcoin still over that support line. This support line looks different and is definitely being well respected by Quant. Starting to round out here. It looks to me like we're rounding out. However, we're on this down area here. It would suck to start coming below. But we're going to keep a very tight eye on this crypto pair. This is probably going to be the one that cannot fail. Most important is Quant to Bitcoin. That's what I look at when I'm, in terms of this investment that I have. Especially, this is the critical part here. In the meantime, if you look over here, it's clearly just straight down and dipping down sharply. Anyway, going over to Quant Bitcoin, support line around 362, as we mentioned, 423 on resistance. Bitcoin, US dollar, 54K. Still over the 54K mark, 54 change. It doesn't really matter if it dips below here and there. It's not really a perfect, it's a rounding error in Bitcoin language, so not overly worried. So if we hit 53.5, I wouldn't be worried about that one either. Tonight we shall see. If it really starts taking a nosedive tonight because of some other, say a person in the U.S. gets it, we could be in for 48K. But I think that would be a short-lived price action. I think we'd rebound off that pretty quickly. Now, let's go take a look. And by the way, we do have resistance on Bitcoin around 56K, and then another one above that at 60,200. We are widening out here on the Bitcoin dominance pair. Resistance right now, currently at 43. Support down here at 42. It's a 1% spread here in terms of where it could go. In my view, I think a 1% spread is pretty, we might be in for some volatility in the near term, but let's see how tonight plays out. In the meantime, we are still consolidating. It just feels like it's held because of the up and down of this Bitcoin dominance pair. Now, Quant US dollar right now, 201. Let's see if we can hold it. I'll keep you posted on Twitter. Bye.